Thank you, Luther. Well, it looks like we have a South Florida workshop coming up with Luther, and I can set up one here in San Diego too. So, and
Sure.
then you're based in Santa Barbara, right? So we can
Yes, I'm
come
in
and visit
Santa
you at your
Barbara, and I
studio.
go back and forth to LA, but Santa Barbara is where I've been for the past
Sweet.
several years. Yeah.
Oh, we want to go to your dome. Come on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting there. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I would love to come down to San Diego. I lived down there for about 6 months years ago, and I was teaching some classes. I think at a dance studio, and so yeah, I would love to come back there and connect with you all. That would be fun.
dancing is going to have to be mandatory for your workshop. Just FYI.
It's so funny.
Yeah, just
It's
planting seeds.
I've been feeling myself going that direction. We'll see what happens. It's always been something I do personally, but yeah, if you want to get together and dance, I'm down. Sure.
Yeah, yeah. A little ecstatic dance to see how our body moves after. We'll do one side of our body and then we'll do the other and see what
I
happens. We
like that
dancing in
idea.
circles. Bunch of tornadoes on the dance floor. All right, ladies. Well, and gentlemen, thank you so much. Luther, is there anything else you wanted to close out with before you set us free into our liberated bodies?
Well, I will say that I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to hang out with you all and speak, and I'm happy to share whatever you would like to know. Please ask. We went over some of the basics, which is the need to resist and generate tension while stretching, and how stretching is more of a movement based activity, not just an isometric based activity. The need to remove the dense tissue is important, and the ramifications on your health in all ways is a useful thing to know. There's so much more we could go into in terms of the intricacies of movement and energy and Chinese medicine. And also, there's a way to walk on the hamstrings, which is like a great way to get blood through the hamstrings, called mashing. It's kind of like a technique to get blood flow going. So there's a lot more that I could share with you, but I think this is a good start. I like that we kept it personal to your interests and some of the concerns you might have. And again, send me an email, luther@lutherbryan.com. You can check out my website. It has a subscription portal where you can learn a lot, and workshops to be happening soon near you. And reach out to me if you have any questions.
Sweet. Awesome, Luther. I'm going to stay on with you just as we let these ladies off. Ladies, thank you so much for joining, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll share the replay with you, ladies, in a couple days. All right, sweethearts. Bye. Thanks for your
Thank you.
amazing energy. You're
Bye.
so welcome.
Bye,
Thank you
everyone.
so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.